is part 2 of rebuilding the Dodge Ram 1500. As you guys can see, I already started sanding it down and getting it nice and smooth. I'm going to put the video of me sanding it down, but I'm going to do a time lapse to make it fast. If you come here, this is the sandpaper I'm using. I'm using 1200, 1500 grit, and then I use the 2000 grit. And then I'm not going to use 2500 or 3000. I'm using the back of the 2000 grit because it's similar to the 2500 and the 3000 grit. And this is what we're going to be using to buff the car. It's a cutting compound. And then we also have one that is for more of a shine and taking off swirls and stuff, like swirl remover. We'll use it with this pad. And this is the pad we're going to use for the cutting compound over here. With this machine, as you guys can see. Pretty simple, you know, everybody can do this at home as well. It's nothing too major. Over here what we have is like R&R. I don't know if you guys have that around where you guys are from, but we go there and we get all these tools and stuff. I know that the sandpaper, we get it from O'Reilly, but everything else, we get it here. And then we also have the wheels here that we're gonna try to put on this video today, but if we can't put it on this video, we're definitely gonna put it on the next video, so part 3. Because the spacers just came in, they just arrived. And yeah guys, this is just to give you guys an idea of how wide the tires are gonna be, as you guys can see. But yeah guys, they're gonna be sticking out like this much. This is a 17-inch rim with a 35-inch tire. So if you guys look here, like this truck is gonna be like this high just off the tires. And then we're also gonna have the lift kit that we got for the truck. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty crazy. If we don't install them this video, we're definitely gonna install them on the next video, because the sanding and the buffing process is gonna be really big, and we wanna get this thing as good looking as we can. It's my phone. But yeah guys, and then this right here is the flares. That's what we're gonna do this video as well. We're gonna install the flares and try to get it back together. I mean, we already sanded, if you guys can come see, we already sanded on this panel here. It's nice and smooth. We sanded this door, and then I'm on the fender and the hood. My dad's helping me out with this, so we're also doing another video in Portuguese, so if you guys want to go to his channel, the link is going to be down in the description, and you can go watch it. But yeah guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we went ahead, sanded these panels right here, as you guys can see. But the only thing is that we did have some sanding paper for the DA. Let me see if we have something that I can show you guys. But yeah, right here. So these sanding papers, they are 1500 grit for the DA. You guys can see. And it's way easier sanding with this because this is a big chuck. If you were sanding with probably like just this panel, I would do it by hand. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 1500, and then I'm gonna go ahead and change it to 2000 grit and then 2500 grit, but with my hand. So as you can see right here, my dad's already gone and started using it. Right there. And yeah, guys. So I'm gonna speed it up and so you guys can see the results. Let's do it. Oh man, guys, this is a crazy process, but it's coming out really good. There's like barely any trash in the paint, and yeah, guys, we're doing our best. As you can see, outside's getting dark already. You know, we started an early process. This is a big process, but we're definitely gonna get it put together and buffed in this video. Even if we don't do it today, we're gonna come and finish it tomorrow morning, but it's all gonna be in this video. So stay tuned, guys, because this is gonna be a crazy process. This is what makes your work that we did, the whole thing, really come out, because this is the main step. Like, this is what gives it that shine, you know. But yeah, guys, so let's get to it. I'm gonna speed it up on the other side so you guys can see everything. But he's sanding it down with the VA, and I'm using the 2000 grit with my hand, making sure everything's gone. But yeah. So this is a lot of work. We just finished that side. We did this whole side, and now he's just doing the tailgate. I'm not gonna have to do the 2000 grit, but we did run into a problem. So the bumper, it had a big drop right here, another one over here, but another one right here. You guys still see it. But the thing about this is that we're gonna paint this whole bumper again, because we're not just gonna touch it up there. If there's like drip right here and drip right here, we're just gonna paint the whole thing. And we're also gonna go ahead and paint this part, which is like the bumper of this truck. This truck doesn't really have a bumper, but we're gonna be installing like a light here and a light down there. That's why we haven't touched that yet. But yeah, guys, this is the whole process. To you guys, the video is probably like 20 minutes, 10 minutes, but for us, it's really big process, and like you guys see everything really fast, but it takes a long time. As you guys can see, it's already dark outside. But yeah, guys, let's continue. Make sure you guys drop a like, man. A lot of hard work, so it doesn't hurt anybody. You don't gain, you don't lose anything from that, from dropping a like or subscribing, you know, guys. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Let's start buffing this thing. Get up close so they can see that. Wait, hold up. Get a piece of tape. I'm gonna put a piece of tape right here so you guys can see how it's gonna look. And then I'm gonna buff this side, and then this side's gonna be buffed. And then you guys gonna see the two sides. See there, he's putting a piece of tape. You guys can see that was just one thing I did of the buffer, and look at the difference. Look at the shine already. That's what you get when you
one time
sand it down really good. But there's still about I'm gonna do 5 more times of the pad, the cutting pad. I guess you see it's gonna look even more shinier. But yeah, guys, let's continue. Let's do this whole truck. I'm trying to finish this for this video for you guys. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm done with this panel, bro. Look at this thing, bro. It looks amazing. It's coming out beautiful. Look at that thing. I love this paint. We're gonna move on to the door and the other door, and I still have to do another pad with the swirl remover on this bed side, but we're gonna move on to these two doors. Let's get it, guys. Alright guys, so that was it for today. I tried doing the most I could, so I buffed this side. I went and wet sanded this door because there was an imperfection right here. And yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna come and we're gonna tackle this truck, try to buff it out really good. And then when it's all buffed out, we're also gonna be painting this part right here. It's gonna be in a separate video though, because we're gonna do the paint and install of this part on a separate video. And we're also gonna touch up the bumper since we messed up on the bumper. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow here. So, alright guys, so we're back here. It's another day, as you guys can see outside. It's early, it's around 11 o'clock. Last night we couldn't finish the truck. We couldn't, I mean, we did wet sand the whole thing, but I didn't finish buffing it. So today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish buffing it and we're gonna throw in those wheels because the screws came in. If you guys come here, you can see the screws. We just got the screws in this morning. And we're gonna try to put on the flares and throw on these wheels for you guys for the end of this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start buffing this and put it on the fast time lapse for you guys. I recorded the process of it a little. Came out really good. He's putting on the third flare on right now, and I'm gonna put the other mirror on. I'm not gonna record this because it took a little bit there, and I just fast forward the whole thing. It's the same process over there. I'm gonna put it on the lift as soon as I'm done putting that mirror on, so we can put the wheels on. So let's do it, guys. Okay guys, mirrors are on. I'm about to put it on the lift now so we can go ahead and lift it. But just with the mirrors, it changes the whole look of this thing. Let's do it. I'm gonna put on the lift right now. Look at this, guys. That's crazy. Woo. Look at them tires. Wow, guys. This is insane. Guys, they came out really good. The flares, the tires on. It looks amazing. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirrors, guys. This look just changed the whole truck's look. Look at this. Wow. Let me put this window so you guys can see the tent. Wow, guys, look at that. We already went through on the tail lights for you guys. Liga la luz para ver o tail light. We threw on the tail lights, and then this piece right here is not fully on, as you guys see. I just put it for the looks. Wow, look at that. Look at those tail lights, man. Those are awesome aftermarket tail lights. And we still got to throw the lift on, so it's not as high, but it's gonna get even higher. Because the lift, we're gonna lift the front and the back, so stay tuned for that. But that's gonna be it, guys, for this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on your ringer bells for part 3, because this is gonna be part 2, and there's gonna be more parts. We have a lot of parts that we ordered for this truck, and you guys don't want to miss that. It's gonna look totally insane when we're done with it. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Peace.
Cholo. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody.